Hi everyone, is your emojis also missing after updating your iPhone? Then here's how you can fix it. So first of all, get to the settings. So after getting to your settings, tap on general. And after doing that, you can scroll down a bit. You can see the option of keyboard, tap on it. And then from here, tap on keyboards one more time. So after doing that, here you can see currently I only have this English keyboard. So in order to add another keyboard, tap on add new keyboard. And then you can simply search for emojis in here. Here you can see emoji right here, tap on it. And just like this, we have added emoji in our keyboard. Now you can go back. I'm going to open an application in order to show my keyboard. And here you can see your emojis are right here. And just like this, you'll be able to get emoji on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.